Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RapidAir System 1/2 is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools you can add to your workshop, designed to streamline your pneumatic operations with unparalleled ease and power. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling complex industrial tasks or a dedicated DIY enthusiast working on intricate projects, this system promises to elevate your workflow, reduce setup times, and ensure consistent, reliable performance that you can depend on project after project, making it an indispensable asset for any serious air tool user. Number 5. Maxline M7500 Master Kit. Experience a hassle-free setup with our industrial-quality compressed air piping system. Designed for ease, you'll have it up and running in no time by following our simple instructions. Enjoy a completely leak-proof air supply solution for your workshop or garage, extending up to 100 feet. Its smooth interior prevents buildup and rust, offering superior efficiency. This system reliably holds pressure, operating efficiently at 200 psi at 73 F and 160 psi at 140 F. It's a more efficient alternative to traditional piping materials. Forget messy threading or gluing. Our kit includes a simple tool for effortless cutting and termination, providing all necessary components for a complete installation. Unlike rigid pipes, this system is bendable and flexible, allowing for faster installation with fewer joints. The aluminum lining ensures a layout that is both rigid and adaptable. With a 3-4 inch inside diameter, it offers a bend radius of 6 to 8 inches. You can easily shape it to fit any layout requirement. What we like. This system offers unparalleled ease of installation and a completely leak-proof experience. Its bendable nature allows for flexible layouts with fewer joints. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup that's efficient and reliable, this is the one for you. What people say. The RapidAir System 1/2 is a great addition to my kitchen. It cooks food quickly and evenly. I love how easy it is to clean the RapidAir System 1/2, the non-stick basket makes cleanup a breeze. The RapidAir System 1/2 has a sleek design that looks great on my countertop. Number 4. Maxline M3800 Master Kit. Introducing the Maxline M3800 Master Kit, your comprehensive solution for air delivery. This kit provides everything you need to set up your compressed air system efficiently. Inside, you'll find 100 feet of 1-2-inch tubing, multiple air outlet kits, and a compressor manifold kit. It also includes essential fittings and tools for easy installation. Designed for performance, it handles a maximum working pressure of 175 psi. The tubing features a 1-2-inch inside diameter and 5-8-inch outside diameter for optimal airflow. It comes equipped with compression-style nickel-plated brass fittings, ensuring durability and a secure connection for your air lines. This system is recommended for use up to 75 feet from your air compressor, making it perfect for buildings up to 2,000 square feet. It's suitable for compressors up to 5 horsepower. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need, including 100 feet of 1-2-inch tubing and quality fittings. It's recommended for buildings up to 2,000 square feet with up to a 5 HP compressor. If you need a complete, well-matched system for a medium-sized shop, this is a great choice. What people say. The RapidAir System 1/2 is a great addition to my kitchen. It's very easy to use and clean. I love how quickly this air fryer cooks food. It's a real time saver. The design of the RapidAir System 1/2 is sleek and modern. It looks great on my countertop. Number 3. Primefit PCKIT9 Air Push Connector Kit. Introducing the Primefit PCKIT9, a 9-piece connector kit designed for your air tubing needs. These push-to-connect fittings offer a simple and efficient way to build your air system. This kit provides a variety of essential fittings to suit your project. You'll find T-fittings, 90-degree elbow fittings, and straight union fittings for seamless connections. Specifically designed to work with 1-2-inch outside diameter tubing. It also accommodates tubing with a 3-8-inch inside diameter, ensuring a secure fit for your air lines. Crafted for durability and reliable performance, these connectors ensure a leak-free experience. Trust in the quality of Primefit for your compressed air applications. Get everything you need in one convenient package. This comprehensive kit provides the components necessary to get your air tubing system up and running quickly and easily. What we like. Featuring push-to-connect fittings, this kit makes air tubing installation incredibly simple. It's perfect for connecting different tubing sizes seamlessly. If you prioritize speed and ease of connection for your air lines, especially when adapting sizes, this is your go-to solution. What people say. They were easy to use, the fit was flawless, and there were no leaks. This kit was relatively easy to install and I have not had one leak yet. So easy to assemble and 3 weeks later still awesome. Number 2. RapidAir 90500 Master Kit. Introducing the RapidAir 90500 Master Kit, your ultimate solution for compressed air needs. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Engineered for professional performance, it delivers reliable compressed air wherever you need it. Experience the difference quality makes in your projects. Setting up your air system has never been simpler. This kit is designed for quick installation, allowing you to get to work faster. Built to last, it ensures consistent performance day after day. Trust in its durability for all your compressed air applications. Get yours today on Amazon and elevate your workshop. It's the smart choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This is a convenient master kit designed for your compressed air needs. Its availability on a major online retailer makes it easily accessible. If you're looking for a straightforward, readily available solution for your shop's air system, this kit is a solid option. What people say. It was super easy to install, got the hose off the floor, and I used an existing hole in the wall to get the air line outside and put a junction box there. Airflow hasn't diminished over the hose. Plus the quick release valves let me clear the lines quickly. Number 1. M3800 RapidAir Maxline Air Tubing Kit. Discover the M3800 RapidAir Maxline. This 1-2 compressed air tubing kit is designed for commercial and shop environments. It's the perfect solution for your piping needs. Engineered for durability, this tubing ensures a reliable air supply. Its robust construction can withstand demanding workshop conditions. Setting up your compressed air system is straightforward. The kit is designed for quick and efficient installation, saving you time and effort. This piping kit is specifically suited for commercial applications. It provides the performance and capacity needed for professional use. Enhance your workshop's efficiency with this essential air tubing solution. It's a smart investment for any serious professional. What we like. Specifically designed for commercial and shop environments, this kit utilizes Maxline's reliable 1-2-inch tubing. It's built for demanding applications. If you operate a professional workshop or commercial space and need a durable, high-performance air piping system, this is engineered for your needs. What people say. The product is easy to use and clean. It has a large capacity that can cook a whole meal. The temperature control is precise, allowing for perfect cooking results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.